Step into a world where the familiar meets the future. Imagine a futuristic arcade, a dazzling space filled with glowing screens and the exciting promise of digital adventures. In the arcades of yesterday, we used physical tokens, clinking coins that represented our chances to play and win. But what if, instead of physical tokens, you use digital ones? Imagine currency that exists only in the digital realm. Every transaction, every win, every loss, tracked on a public, unchangeable scoreboard. A transparent record for all to see. These digital tokens are cryptocurrencies, a new form of digital asset. Cryptocurrencies are money that isn't controlled by banks or governments, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional finance. Instead, it's governed by a global community, a network of individuals contributing to its security and growth. The technology behind it is called blockchain, the backbone of this digital revolution. Blockchain is a public, secure record of every transaction, ensuring transparency and trust. This record is copied across thousands of computers, making it virtually impossible to alter or corrupt. Bitcoin is the original token, the pioneer that started it all. Think of it like Pac-Man, the classic arcade game that defined a generation. While Ethereum lets you build new games on its platform, expanding the possibilities of what crypto can do. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each vying for attention in this digital landscape. Each with unique features, designed to solve different problems or offer new functionalities. It's like a vast arcade, filled with different arcade games, each offering a unique experience. Crypto is digital, existing purely in the realm of computers and networks. It's global, transcending borders and connecting people from all corners of the world. And valuable because people believe in it, seeing its potential to reshape the future of finance. Just like rare collectibles, its value is derived from its scarcity and the desire of people to own it. Its value comes from supply, demand, the fundamental forces that drive any market. And shared belief, the collective conviction that this technology has the power to change the world. Its value is not tied to physical form, but to the digital infrastructure and the community that supports it. This belief turns code into something people spend real money on, a testament to the power of shared vision. That's the foundation of the crypto world, a world built on code, community, and shared belief. And it's where trading begins, the first step into this exciting and ever-evolving digital frontier. Trading crypto, it's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape where digital assets are exchanged, is like flipping rare sneakers. You're essentially trying to capitalize on the difference between what you pay and what someone else is willing to pay, at a global swap meet, a place where buyers and sellers from all corners of the earth converge. You buy low, acquiring crypto assets when their prices are relatively low, hoping the price rises, anticipating increased demand and positive market sentiment, then sell high to make a profit, capturing the gains from the price appreciation. In crypto, you're trading coins like Bitcoin, the original and most well-known cryptocurrency, or Ethereum, a platform that enables decentralized applications and smart contracts, betting on their future value, hoping that these digital assets will increase in worth over time. Prices change constantly, reflecting the dynamic nature of the market, driven by supply and demand, the fundamental forces that shape all markets. Just like with collectibles, scarcity and desirability play a significant role in determining value. Good news can send prices soaring. Positive developments can fuel rapid price increases. Bad news can cause a crash. Negative events can trigger sharp declines in value. Most traders aren't buying coffee with crypto, at least not directly. They're speculating on price swings, aiming to profit from the short-term fluctuations in the market. They analyze news, keeping a close eye on market-moving events and announcements. Study charts, using technical analysis to identify patterns and trends, and try to predict the next move, attempting to anticipate future price movements based on available information. It's fast-paced, risky, requiring quick decisions and a tolerance for uncertainty. And happens 24/7. The crypto market never sleeps, offering opportunities around the clock. Trading is about timing, knowing when to buy and sell to maximize profits. Strategy and sometimes luck. A well-defined plan and a bit of good fortune can go a long way. It's not just buying and holding, although that can be a valid long-term investment strategy. It's an active game, a constant challenge that demands attention and skill. Welcome to the world of crypto trading, a world full of opportunities and risks. You can't trade crypto on the street. You need an exchange. Crypto exchanges are online marketplaces like Amazon for digital coins. You sign up, deposit regular money, fiat, and buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Each exchange has an order book, a list of buy and sell offers. When prices match, trades happen automatically. This constant matching sets the market price. Some exchanges are simple for beginners. Others offer advanced tools for pros. Choosing the right exchange is key. Look for security, reputation, and the coins you want. Exchanges are the heart of crypto trading. They make trading fast, global, and accessible. Pick wisely, and you're ready to start. The marketplace is always open. To trade crypto, you need the right tools. First, a wallet. It's your digital safe, either online, hot wallet, for convenience, or offline, cold wallet, for security. Many keep coins on exchanges, but serious traders use personal wallets for extra safety. Next, price charts. Candlestick charts show how prices move over time, helping you spot trends and patterns. Learning to read charts is essential for smart trading. Information is your final tool. The crypto market moves fast, driven by news and social media. Stay updated with news sites, YouTubers, and online communities. Read white papers to understand a coin's purpose. The more you know, the better your decisions. Tools and knowledge are your edge. Don't trade blind, trade smart. Crypto trading is buzzing for a reason. The chance for huge returns draws people in. Some have turned small investments into fortunes. Crypto is accessible trade anytime, anywhere with just a phone. It feels empowering, especially for those shut out of traditional finance. There's a cultural side too. Crypto stands for decentralization and a new financial future. Many see it as a movement, not just an investment. Social media hype and FOMO fuel the excitement. Online communities, memes, and influencers make it feel like a revolution. The more people talk, the bigger the buzz. It's fast, exciting, and hard to ignore. The world of cryptocurrency presents a landscape of immense potential, a digital frontier brimming with opportunities for innovation and financial growth. But it's crucial to acknowledge that alongside these exciting possibilities, there exists a significant level of risk. Navigating this space requires a clear understanding of the potential pitfalls. Prices can skyrocket, doubling in value within a single day, or they can plummet just as quickly, crashing and erasing significant portions of your investment. Extreme volatility isn't an exception, it's the norm in the crypto market. Expect the unexpected, and be prepared for rapid shifts in value. The cryptocurrency market operates with less regulation compared to traditional financial systems. This lack of oversight can create vulnerabilities. Scams and fraudulent schemes are very real dangers in this environment. It's essential to be vigilant and skeptical of opportunities that seem too good to be true. Rug pulls, where developers abandon a project and run off with investors' money, are a common threat. Fake coins designed to deceive investors and phishing attacks aimed at stealing your credentials are also prevalent. These scams can completely wipe you out, leaving you with substantial financial losses. If you lose your wallet password or private key, which are essential for accessing your crypto, your money is gone and there's often no customer support or recovery system to assist you. In the crypto world, you're essentially your own bank and your own security guard, responsible for safeguarding your assets. Therefore, the golden rule to remember is to never invest more than you can realistically afford to lose without impacting your financial stability. Start small, with manageable amounts. Think of your initial investments as paying for your education in the crypto space. Focus on learning the intricacies of the market rather than solely aiming to get rich quickly. Be cautious in your approach. Always do your own thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency, and take proactive steps to protect your digital assets from potential threats. Remember, crypto trading is a marathon, demanding patience and endurance, not a sprint fueled by impulsive decisions. Stay curious, continue learning, and stay smart by making informed decisions. And above all, prioritize trading safely and responsibly.